debugging is one of the most important skills you can get as a coder, but it's one of the hardest as well because it kind of depends on what you're using and how you do it. So in Godot, there's usually a built-in debugger, right? However, sometimes it's a little harder to debug things, and one of the issues with debugging something like removing children and adding children can be a bit difficult because that can work and it won't error. However, it might not work how you want it to work. And recently in my Discord, someone was having issues with changing scenes the way I did in Stage Manager, and I made a video on this. And it's not this exactly, but what we do is we manually remove this current scene and we're going to move to a new scene. And the way we do that, instead of doing change scene to file, which is the way Godot does it, we do it manually. Right? And if you don't know how to do that, you can check out that video. But the way we do it is we queue free this child. And the guy in the Discord was trying to queue free child number 0, which would technically be the stage manager, or child number 1, I believe. So that would be audio controller in my case. And this is the important, this is the point of the video. So to debug, you can go to remote or local. So local is what we're used to. It's where we add things, what we mess around with. But remote is a very good way to debug things, because what he was trying to do was essentially remove main menu, right? So when in my game, if I create a new game, it's going to change the main menu to a new scene, to forest, right? Because that's what this does. However, if I wanted to do it manually, I would have to free this child, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 5th child, right? And I wouldn't know this unless I go into the remote, right? So if I want to do that, that would be a good way to do it. A better way to do it would be to look for a name, but that's just beside the point. But this is a very good and important tool, and this is something that can save you hours of time. And if you didn't watch this 2-minute video, shame on you. This 2-minute video could have saved you hours and hours of time, because this also hurt me a lot when I first started. I didn't really utilize this. Remote and local are very good tools, like remote specifically, right? Because root and then everything below that is a really good child to look at, because you can now go into the forest, you can look at whatever's in here and use that. You can utilize that and debug the code yourself, or you can debug the nodes, because debug doesn't always tell you what to do. So this is a really good tool. I really hope this helps you guys, because this will save you hours of time. If you think it did, I can't talk today. Then subscribe to my channel. I'd love to see you guys around, and join my Discord. The Discord is really for you guys. It's for me, but it's really for you guys for me to help you and for you guys to help each other. So definitely join the Discord, subscribe, hit the like button down below, and comment down below for the algorithm. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.